So in this video we're going to look at another polygon which is called the hexagon. So a couple of things that we need to know about the hexagon. It has got 6 sides and it has 6 internal angles. And the degrees that we need to remember when we think of a hexagon or when we see a hexagon is 60 degrees. So where we get the 60 degrees from, it is a circle has 360 degrees. We divide it by 6 sides or 6 internal angles. So 360 divided by 6 gives us 60 degrees. So when we are to construct a hexagon, we need mainly 2 pieces of equipment. So we need our 30-60 degree set square, and we also need a compass. So with our 30 degree set square, 30-60, that side is 60 degrees. And if we turn our set square up this way, this side is 60 degrees. We just need to remember that our set square is always firmly placed on our t-square, and our t-square is in tight against the board. So in this case, we're going to look at how to draw a hexagon when we're given a baseline. So this is the baseline we're given. It doesn't matter what size it is. So what I'm going to do is use my 30 degree set square to draw a line from that side of our base, and also to draw a 60 degree line from that side of my base. So next I'm going to use the compass, and I'm going to set the compass to the base of the hexagon. I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to set my compass, and I'm going to swing an arc onto each of the lines, each of the 60 degree lines I'm after constructing. So I just need to extend on one of these lines a little bit. So still using the 60 degree set square, extending that line on. So now that line can be heavied in. So that's our second side of our hexagon, and now we have our third side of the hexagon. So now, again, using our 30 degree set square, 30-60, I'm drawing our 60 degree line from there. Again, it is a light construction line for now, and I'm drawing my 60 degree line from there. Again, all of these are construction lines. Using the compass, it is still set to the exact same length of our baseline. I'm going to swing an arc, and I'm going to swing an arc here. So now what I'm after constructing is side 4 and side 5 of my hexagon. Now where those 2 arcs are, I can join those up and it should be a straight line. So once I heavy all those in, I have completed a hexagon. So in this case there's no need for a protractor, since our 30-60 degrees set square gives us the angle that we require. So the other way we're going to look at is how to construct a hexagon inside in a circle. So we have a given circle and we have a center point of the circle. So the first thing I need to do is draw any line at all. Oh, and in this one it is very useful to have our protractor to hand. So first thing, I'm going to draw a line from the center of our circle, any angle at all. So that's just a free line. I've drawn it from the center out. Now I'm going to use my protractor, and I'm very carefully going to ensure that my protractor is set, the baseline here I'm ensuring is set at 0 degrees. I'm going to count up on the outside all the way up to 60 and mark in with a small little dot. So with that dot, I'm going to join it back to the center of the circle. And where those 2 lines intersect the circumference of the circle, I have one side of the hexagon. So now we just need to find the other 5. As we know, with a regular hexagon, all the sides are going to be the same. So I've set the compass to that. I'm going to swing an arc, and every place that arc intersects the circumference, we have another side on our hexagon. And just to double check our final point, so that is correct. And now once I join them all up, we have completed our hexagon in the circle. So we know a hexagon has got 6 sides, and to show where we have our 6 internal angles, if I join from the outside, point back to the center, we can see where these 6 internal angles are. And that's how we construct a hexagon.